That's a really cool movement. Whitest girls in town. I want to learn how to do this.
Yeah, I wish I could move my body like that.
Amber, do this.
Their pants are on backwards.
Jump, jump. They just have big pockets. Jump, jump.
I'm a little bit.
Oh my son. Now they're starting to fade. Dude, this is awesome. I wish I could do this.
She knows what dance.
It's the same one over and over. Ready? Cross.
Really? Right now?
Yeah.
No. Oh.
Gotta get on your heels. Get on your heels and your tiptoes.
Right. So.
At the same time. Jump, jump,
Jump, jump,
jump, jump. Jump again.
jump, jump.
Jump again.
I can do this now.
Yay!
It's at the wrong time. I don't think. I could be a gangster if I wanted to.
Yeah. What's that?
You guys, we should play tennis. Oh, I'm good at that.
I'm good at tennis.
I'm good at
Oh,
that.
do this, Emily.
There's no way people can do that. I
Dude,
mean,
I want to learn how to do this right now.
You guys are having so much fun. It doesn't look like it, but I promise.
I don't know if I can really do this like in real life. I love her dance that she did a minute ago. It was, she was over here going, and she had like one hand like on the side of her dress, and you're going,
Who did that?
you! I swear.
Oh, I don't believe you. That story's not true, Amber.
Really? Because it's on video.
Oh, goodness.
Right on your butt.
Jump, jump.
We're gonna shake her head.
Oh, wait, I'm supposed to be doing this.
Still going. Still going.
Oh,
Still going.
that looks like it would break your neck.
No, you need the hair.